Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Messenger account 2023. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, you need to open your Messenger app. After that, tap on Menu on the top left corner. From here, go to Settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom. From here, tap on See More in Account Center. After that, what you need to do is scroll down and tap on Personal Details. And then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here you'll see Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on that. Now, select the account which you want to deactivate. On the next page, you will see two options. You can either deactivate your account or delete your account. So from here, select Deactivate. And after that, tap on Continue. After that, tap on Continue. Now you need to put in the password for your account you want to deactivate. So put in the password. And then tap on Continue. From here, choose the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. So choose whichever reason you want. I'll select a random one and tap on Continue. On the next page, go through the information and tap on Continue. And finally, you need to confirm your deactivation. So scroll down on this page and you will see an option that says Continue using Messenger. Do not select this option and tap on Deactivate my account. And just wait for it to get done and your account will be deactivated.